Hello everyone. Today I am going to be meal prepping some breakfast burritos for our trip. I am going to do sausage, hash browns, eggs, and salsa with cheese. And I already have everything cooked and laid out here ready to go. So I just have to assemble it and thought I'd show you a little bit of how I'm doing that. So I have got some ground sausage that I browned. I have got these were frozen hash browns that I browned up. I have my tortilla shells. I'm using the burrito size. I have scrambled eggs. I have some shredded cheddar cheese and some salsa. So first thing I'm going to do is lay out my saran wrap. And it's easier if you do this first and just make the burrito right on top of it. So I don't know how much this is going to make, but I used 2 pounds of ground sausage, breakfast sausage, just the mild. I used a 2-pound bag of hash browns, frozen hash browns. And you can put this in any order you want, it doesn't matter. I used 11 eggs because that's just how many I had. And this meal is not going to cost us much at all because I bought everything when it was on sale, cheap. Except for, I don't remember the hash browns, if I paid full price for them or if they were on sale. But the sausage was 2 1-pound packs for $5. The hash browns, like I said, I can't remember how much I paid for those. I think they were $3 for a 2-pound bag. The eggs are free. Our son-in-law gets us the eggs. The cheese I buy when it's on sale really cheap and I freeze it. And the only thing, the salsa we bought while we were on vacation in Tennessee and I just opened it. So I'm not sure how much that cost either. And the tortilla shells were on sale also for like $1.19. So it's not too bad. I'm not going to tell you how much it is per burrito because I'm not a mathematician. I'm not good at math at all. So I have put everything on here. I'm adding the salsa. You can put as much, as little as you like, or none at all. I'm going to add some cheese. Again, as much or as little as you like. And I'm going to admit it right now, I'm not good at folding burritos. So I'm going to fold the sides up first. Then bring the bottom up. Kind of slide it back a little bit. And then keep folding or rolling. And not too bad. And then what you want to do is put it on the corner of your saran wrap. Bring that up around it and roll it a little bit. Bring the sides in tight and then keep rolling as tight as you can get it. And then I'm going to wrap it in some aluminum foil also. Now, I'm going to freeze all these. To reheat them, I'm going to wrap it the same way. Start in the corner, roll it up once, bring the sides in, just like you're wrapping the burrito, and then just keep rolling. So anyway, I'm going to freeze these, and then to reheat, you can either get out the night before and stick in the refrigerator, or you can get them out that morning, take the aluminum foil off, and I would wrap it in a paper towel and stick it in the microwave for, I would do about 30 seconds at a time, and just to check until you can tell how long it takes for you to fully cook it. Depending on your microwave, how much longer it would take. Or you can pop them in the air fryer and heat them up that way, and they will get kind of crisp on the outside too. That way it would be good. If I was gonna do that, I would stick it in the microwave first and cook it for about a minute to thaw it out, and then put it in the air fryer. And it wouldn't take as long, and you'll get a good crisp outside. So, I have written on my Ziploc bag, breakfast burritos, so we know what's in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing these and get them all in the bag. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm just finishing up this last one here. I don't know how I did it, but I had exactly the right amount of sausage, hash browns, and burrito shells. If I'd had a full dozen eggs, I would have had enough eggs. The only thing is I did shred a little more cheese. You started out with 1 pack, so I shredded another thing of cheese. I have a little bit of that left. And so I came out perfect. So what I did was, like I said, I used 2 packs of the 8-count burrito size shells, 2 pounds of sausage, 2 pounds of frozen hash browns. I used the cubed kind. I had 11 eggs, so if you did a dozen eggs, and I had salsa and 2 pounds of shredded cheese, you got a little bit left over. This one has no egg in it, so I'm going to write on it, no egg. And I ended up getting 16 burritos. Now, of course, it's going to depend on how much you put in it. A couple of mine had a lot in it to where they're probably going to be pretty messy. They were stuffed pretty full. But yeah, I ended up getting 16 burritos. I did 8 with no salsa and 8 with salsa. And I've got them all in the bags here. And I'm going to stick them in the freezer. And they'll be ready for the trip. So in the mornings when we have to get up early, because we're going to have a few excursions that we're going to have to get up really early to get to. Or if we want to go hiking or sightseeing early one morning, we can grab one of these on the go. Or travel days. Travel days these will be great for. You know, and we have a Class C, so I can get up and heat them up as we go down the road. And that's what's great about having a motorhome, is you can get up, use the bathroom, make lunch, make breakfast, make your coffee, whatever you want to do while you're traveling down the road. For example, one time we got stuck in a dead stop traffic in Mississippi for 2 straight hours. I got up and made us lunch. We could have watched TV if we wanted. Went to the bathroom, stretch your legs. It's nice to have a motorhome, that's for sure. That's one reason why we chose to go that route. But anyway, so that was my meal prep for breakfast burritos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And all right, so y'all have a great day, and like and subscribe. Bye-bye.